Hi everyone, it's me Sudesh. Welcome back to my channel Molar Creations. Today we are talking about 3D models, where you will get a good quality of 3D models. So we'll check out some websites where you get 3D models. Let's go. So for first one, I'm introducing 3D Brute. It's called 3dbrute.com. So there are a lot of models in this. There are really good models which you can see here. They're given different categories. So you can go here, plant. There are a lot of plants. You can go here, and this is paid one. This is because of pro models, that is paid. So if you go here, free also you get. Free models you will get. Here download, you get the model. That's all. So this one of the best website I recommend for 3D models. You can check it out. Next one is 3D Milli, 3dmilli.com. All these website link I'll keep in description. You can check it out. So this is also same, like a lot of models are there. You can check it out. There are people here. This is also model. Green 3D scenes also available here. And decorative ways, everything. Clock, vase. So many things. So please check it out. This is also one of the best website for 3D models. Another one, 3D Sky. It's called 3D Sky. 3D Sky also is a really good model. You will get it. If you go chair. Here also you have pro and free models. This is all pro actually. If you go for free, you will get lot of things, lot of models. To get this, you will just create an account and log in there. That's all. You will get free models. Only thing is, in a day you will get 3 models. For example, if you log in, you will get three models or for a login. After that, it will be paid. So just check it out like that. So if you want this model, just go download, and that's it. So 2 models is pending. So 3 model you will get like that. So this is also really good website for 3D models. You can check it out. There are a lot of categories, frames. You can check it out. Plants. It's free. It's all free. So that is 3D Sky. Another one is CGTrader. CGTrader, another website for 3D models. Here you have a lot of categories. Exterior. This again paid and free also there. If you click free here, another free models you get. Architectural, all the links are there. This mechanical columns, real-time modeling, decor. So this all really good models you will get. CGTrader, interior models free. So this all free models. You can check it out. It's a really good website. So that is CGTrader. Only thing you need to log in here, create an account, and you can download. Without login also you can download. Only thing is, when you log in here there are another things which is you can get freelance projects here. You can sell your models So that is one of the thing. We'll talk it about later separately. One section we'll do that. So this is 3D CGTrader. Other one is CGMode. Here free models are little comparatively less. This all free models. So all these are free models, and you'll get some of textures also. These all textures. This is all free. This is all free. So check it out. If it is useful for your project, it's good. This all. I'm just going fast because you can check it out. Keep it the website link below. So this is all free models. So that's all CGMode. So check all the websites and create good images with quality of models. The only thing is the quality of your renderings comes from the best models, textures with lighting. So that is the solution, or that is the formula for the best rendering. So just try to get good models, keep good texture, and light it and get the output. So next thing is where you get the good quality, high quality textures. So we'll do for that websites. We'll try to collect some website and show you guys. So that's all for today. Hope I will be useful for everyone. So please subscribe if you liking the video, like, so share. Thank you. That's all. Thank you so much.